Today we're going to be doing a quick overview of the Klein Connect 65400 pass-through socket set. This is a 28-piece set. It does include metric sockets and standard. The last couple sets we looked at only had standard, so I'm glad Klein's putting out more metric stuff. But on the metric side, you get 8mm all the way to 17mm, and on the standard side, 1/4 inch all the way to 3/4 inch. This set also includes a 3/8 drive adapter, so you can actually just snap that into the ratchet. You can use it with any 3/8 drive sockets. It also has an assortment of 1/4 inch bits that work with the 1/4 inch socket. It is magnetic, so they just go in like that. It also has an adapter for an impact 1/4 inch. So if you have a 1/4 inch drive impact or a 1/4 inch drive nut driver, you can use it that way. It also has a 1/4 inch extension, a pass-through extension, and a pass-through handle. And if you're not familiar with pass-through sockets, basically they just have a hole that goes all the way through. So if you have like a long bolt, it'll allow you to slip it all the way over to get down to the nut, or if you're working with a threaded bar or whatnot. And to give you a better idea, I'll put this on my impact real quick. So here's a better idea how it works. So pass-through sockets definitely have their place. They're worth looking into if you don't have one. But again, this is the Klein Tools 65400 pass-through socket set. This is the standard metric set. But if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.